Tired of posting affiliate pins that get ignored? Yeah, I've been there. You put in the work, you find a great product, you share it on Pinterest, and absolutely nothing happens. No clicks, no traffic, no commissions. Here's the thing most people get wrong. They skip the business account setup. Without it, you're basically shouting into the void. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to get those clicks and finally start seeing real results from your affiliate marketing. So here's the plan. First, we'll get you on a Pinterest business account if you're not already. Then, we'll create a pin with a compelling image and your affiliate link. Finally, we'll publish it and keep an eye on how it performs using analytics. Sound good? Let's jump in. Start by opening Pinterest in your browser. Just head to the website and log in. Now, here's the really important part. If you're using a personal account right now, you need to switch to a business account. This isn't optional if you want to track clicks and see what's actually working. It's totally free, and it unlocks all the analytics tools we'll use later. Go to your settings, find the option to convert or switch to a business account, and follow the prompts. It only takes a minute, and it's the single biggest difference between pins that flop and pins that drive traffic. All right, once you're on a business account, click the Create button. It's usually at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Pin. This opens up the pin creation window where all the magic happens. Now, upload a high-quality image related to the product you're promoting. Don't just grab any random photo. Think about what would stop someone mid-scroll. Bright colors, clear subject matter, maybe some text overlay that hints at the benefit. If you're promoting a kitchen gadget, show it in action with a mouth-watering result. This image is your first and best chance to grab attention, so make it count. Next, write a title that's keyword-rich, but also sounds natural. Think about what someone would actually type into the search bar to find this product. For example, if you're promoting a blender, don't just say smoothie blender. Try something like best blender for thick smoothies, easy cleanup. It helps Pinterest understand what your pin is about, which means more people will see it. Then move on to the description. This is where you explain the benefits of the product and why someone should click through. Talk about the problem it solves, not just what it is. Use keywords naturally, but keep it helpful and conversational. Something like, tired of chunky smoothies? This blender crushes ice and frozen fruit in seconds, and the self-cleaning mode makes cleanup a breeze. See how that feels useful? Now, scroll down and find the link field. This is where you paste your affiliate link. Make sure you've copied the correct link from your affiliate network before you start. Double-check it. One wrong character and the link won't work, and you'll be sending people nowhere. Paste it in there carefully. After that, you need to choose a board to save your pin to. Pick a board that's relevant to the product. If you don't have a good match, create a new one. Don't just dump it into a random board or one called miscellaneous. Pinterest organizes content by board topics, so putting it in the right category helps it get discovered by the right people. Before you hit publish, review all your pin details. Check the image, the title, the description, the link, and the board one more time. Look for typos, broken links, or anything that feels off. This is your last chance to catch mistakes before the world sees it. When you're happy, click the Publish button. Your pin is now live and ready to be discovered. And here's where the business account really pays off. Open Pinterest Analytics and find the pin you just published. Look at the impressions, the saves, and most importantly, the outbound clicks. This is the number that tells you if people are actually following your affiliate link. Check back after a day, then after a week. See what's working and what's not. Maybe a different image gets more saves, or a different title brings more clicks. Over time, you'll start to see patterns, and you can double down on what works. So now you know how to use Pinterest to actually drive traffic to your affiliate products. No more pins that just sit there. You've got the tools, you've got the plan, and you've got the know-how. Go ahead and give it a try. I bet you'll be surprised by how fast things can change.